A massive tree, standing for decades, falls in seconds. The blade slices through like a hot knife through butter. This isn't just any chainsaw. This is one of the most powerful, high-speed tree-cutting machines on the planet. From saws that can fell entire forests in minutes to machines so precise they can carve through massive logs like paper. These giants are built for extreme speed and efficiency. But with great power comes great danger. One wrong move and disaster strikes. How do these machines work? And just how fast can they cut? Let's find out. So, let's kick things off with the biggest, baddest tree-cutting machines out there. We're talking about industrial giants that can slice through trees taller than a 10-story building. These bad boys are built for one thing: power. But here's the kicker. With great power comes even greater risk. Take the Tiger Cat, for example. This beast is built for serious logging. Equipped with a massive engine and reinforced frame, the Tiger Cat can cut through trees up to 8 feet in diameter. That's as wide as a small car. It's the go-to machine when you need to handle the toughest, thickest trees in the harshest environments. This machine's not just strong, it's fast, and it can clear vast amounts of forest in record time. But that power comes at a cost, as it requires precision and skill to operate safely. Next up, we have the Caterpillar D9 bulldozer. Now, this isn't just any bulldozer. It's a powerhouse with specialized tree-cutting attachments that allow it to demolish entire forested areas. This machine's like a bulldozer on steroids, not just clearing trees, but also moving debris and making way for the other heavy machinery. Imagine the size of the trees it can clear. We're talking about a bulldozer capable of moving giant trees like it's just a walk in the park. But if you think that's all, here's another game changer: the Ponce Ergo Harvester. This machine is a master of precision. It doesn't just chop down trees, it handles them with surgical accuracy. The Ponce Ergo is built for versatility, operating on all types of terrain, from flatlands to rugged hills. Its advanced cutting systems allow it to harvest trees of varying sizes, and it's designed to reduce damage to the surrounding environment. It's not just a tool, it's a forest management expert in machine form. And finally, the Timber Pro C6 series, one of the latest and most advanced tree harvesters on the market. This machine is the future of logging, combining powerful cutting capabilities with fuel efficiency and minimal environmental impact. The Timber Pro C6 series can quickly fell large trees, and thanks to its lightweight design, it's agile enough to navigate difficult terrain. These machines are essential in the logging industry, helping to clear massive forests in record time. They reduce the amount of manpower needed and drastically cut down on time. But of course, they don't come without their dangers. Operating these machines requires a lot of skill, precision, and serious safety measures. As powerful as they are, they can also be deadly if not handled properly. But here's the big question. Can these monsters of machinery cut through trees faster than we can imagine? Well, let's talk about the fastest chainsaws in the industry. How do they work, and what makes them so fast? Stay tuned to find out, because the speed of these machines might just blow your mind. When it comes to chainsaws, speed is just as important as power. You might think that bigger always means faster, but that's not necessarily true. Some of the fastest handheld chainsaws are designed for both speed and precision, making them essential tools for professionals and homeowners alike. Whether you're cutting firewood, trimming trees, or tackling heavy-duty logging work, having a high-speed chainsaw can make all the difference. Take this THL MS 500i, for example. This is one of the fastest accelerating chainsaws on the market, featuring fuel injection technology that allows for lightning-fast throttle response. Its high power-to-weight ratio makes it incredibly efficient for felling and bucking large trees. It's a favorite among professional loggers and arborists who need speed and reliability in the field. Another top performer is the Husqvarna 572XP. This powerhouse is designed for high-speed cutting with a durable, high-revving engine that reaches up to 10,200 RPM. It's built for demanding conditions and features auto-tune technology, which adjusts performance for optimal cutting speed and fuel efficiency. Whether you're in forestry, tree care, or land clearing, the 572XP gets the job done fast without compromising durability. For those who prefer battery-powered options, the Echo DCS2500T is one of the fastest and most powerful cordless chainsaws available. It delivers impressive cutting speed with instant torque, making it a top choice for arborists and professionals looking for a lightweight yet high-performance tool. Plus, with zero emissions and low noise, it's perfect for urban and residential use. Massive chainsaws are absolute powerhouses, transforming industries far beyond logging. From construction to mining and demolition, these machines are cutting through materials once thought impossible: concrete, steel, rock, and more. In construction, industrial-sized chainsaws like the Ponzi Scorpion and Timber Pro make demolition faster and more efficient. Think of them as Swiss Army knives, slicing through reinforced concrete and steel with ease. In mining, robotic chainsaws like the KUKA robotic chainsaw carve through dense rock layers, speeding up excavation and resource extraction. These machines don't just cut materials, they cut down labor and time, making dangerous jobs safer and more cost-effective. But with great power comes great risk. One wrong move, and things can go south fast. Kickback is a major hazard, as the saw can suddenly jerk backward, putting even experienced operators at risk. Fatigue and loss of control are real concerns. These machines are heavy, and long hours of use increase the chances of dangerous mistakes. Constant noise and vibration can also lead to hearing loss and nerve damage over time. And then there are the external dangers: flying debris, falling trees, and fuel hazards. A single mistake while refueling or an overheated battery could cause a fire, or worse. So, what does the future hold? Could AI-powered chainsaws eliminate kickback, enhance safety, and make cutting faster and smarter? The possibilities are exciting, and we'll be here to break it all down. Love extreme machines? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. Have a machine you want us to cover? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.